today we are starting with interconversion of states of matter. So what is interconversion of states of matter? We know that matter is anything which is having a specific mass and which is occupying space, that is only the matter. Now matter can be of three types or three states of matter are there: solid, liquid and gas. Now what is the interconversion? The process of changing a matter from one physical state to another and back to its original state without any change in its chemical composition is called the interconversion of states of matter. So what is the interconversion? The matter can be changed from one state to another. Means the solid can change to liquid, the liquid can change to gas. Again, similarly, the gas can change into the liquid form, liquid can change into gas, solid form. Okay, so it is only the interconversion of states of matter where any chemical composition is not changing. Any chemical composition is not changing, only the physical state is changing. Okay, the constituent of that substance is remaining same. So the change of states of matter occurs by changing temperature and pressure. Okay, so by changing the temperature, by increase or decrease the temperature and pressure, these changes can occur. So solid, on heating it is becoming liquid, again on heating it is becoming gas. Again gas, by cooling it is becoming liquid, again liquid, by cooling it is becoming solid. Here I have given one diagram. Okay, this is the line diagram of the interconversion of states of matter, where it is the solid substance, it is the liquid substance and it is the gaseous substance. See, in solid substance the molecules are closely packed, intermolecular spaces are negligible. Here in liquid it is more than solid, it is not as closely packed as the solid. Now in gas it is far apart. Okay, the intermolecular spaces are maximum. So solid, by melting it is becoming liquid, and liquid by boiling it is becoming gas. Again gas, by deposition it is becoming solid again. Okay, so this is only the interconversion of states of matter. The states of the substance are changing, but the chemical composition of the substance is not changing, only the physical property or physical state is changing. Now some of the terms are given here in this diagram, you can see. So these terms you have to learn. So I have given the term here, and how does the change occur or why it is happening, that one I will explain in my audio. Okay, so first see the terms. So terms related to interconversion of states of matter. First one is melting. The process during which a solid changes into its liquid state at a fixed temperature on heating is called melting. So when the process is termed as melting, okay, you have to write that, you have to mention that the process during which the solid changes into its liquid state at a fixed temperature, that is only called the melting. And the temperature at which a solid starts changing it to its liquid state, it is called the melting point. Okay, the process during which a solid changes into its liquid state as a fixed temperature, the process is termed as the melting, and the temperature or the fixed temperature at which the solid changes into its liquid forms, that is only called the melting point. Melting point of pure water is 0 degrees Celsius. Okay, for example, melting point of water is 0 degrees Celsius. Now boiling and evaporation, more or less same. Okay, boiling, what is boiling? The process during which a liquid is changing to its gaseous state at a fixed temperature, that is only called the boiling. And the fixed temperature at which a liquid changes into gaseous state, that is called the boiling point. Again For example, boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius. So melting point is 0 degrees Celsius and the boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius. Now, what is evaporation? The process during which liquid is changing into its vapor at a temperature but below the boiling point. Okay, so below the boiling point, this one you have to mention. So this is only the difference between the boiling and evaporation. Below the boiling point is called the evaporation. Boiling is an extreme form of evaporation. So the process during which a liquid is changing to its vapor at a temperature below the boiling point, that is only called the evaporation. Boiling is a extreme form of evaporation.